Today I'm going to be unboxing the Aostirmotor S18 electric bike from Electric Bike Paradise. Once you get the bike out of the box, there is some assembly required. You do have to put on the front handlebars, the front tire, the front mudguard, your back rack, and the pedals. Inside the box, there will be a bag that has all the tools needed to put this bike together, along with the charger. In order to attach this rack to the bike, you need to take the smallest Allen wrench that comes in the toolkit and remove 2 bolts on each side of the tire in the back. Once you have those removed, you can slide this over, line up the holes, and feed those bolts back through. Putting on the bike's handlebars is super simple. All you have to do is remove at least 3 of the bolts up front